Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 23rd of November 2022. We're approaching midday here in Europe. Concerns over Genesis insolvency has continued to power pressure on crypto prices so far this week, albeit we have seen some pretty decent looking bounces off some key technical levels, particularly on BTC and on Ethereum. Just to cover where they are, you got that 1070 area on Ethereum, nice looking double bottom being put in there, and also on BTC around the 15500 area. These are levels that we've had on our charts for some time now, and you can see how important they are moving forward from here. Bitcoin though is not out of the woods yet. You can see some sort of triangular shape or wedge if you want to call it, which is angling down from here, so just watch out around these areas now. If I was to just draw what I'm referring to on here, you can see just starting to see some sort of wedge formation. But if they get that break today, next stop will be firstly at 17,100 before looking into 17,625. There's been a few other issues as well, just to bring you up to speed with some more crypto news. We've seen the Digital Currency Group, which is the corporate owner of Genesis Global Trading. They paused withdrawals in its lending division last week. We should already know that by now. Grayscale, the manager of the largest investable crypto product GBTC. This is the first time the majority of Bitcoin holders are out of profit since the coronavirus-induced crash of March of 2020. Genesis spokespeople have been saying we have no plans to file bankruptcy imminently, I should say. While Bloomberg reported DCG, which was the Digital Currency Group, they're seeking funds to backstop losses from Binance and Apollo Management, which both reportedly declined to invest. Some news that I wanted to bring yourself today as well was coming from the crypto chat room. TradeView Charles posted something which I actually wasn't aware of. And he said that Binance have invested $500 million into the Twitter deal, and soon there will be wallets directly on Twitter for whichever coins you decide to keep. So that's quite an interesting development. We know that Elon Musk has been quite a big fan of coins over the past few years. It moved on from Dogecoin to BTC, etc. So that'd be an interesting development moving forward, and something which could potentially be bullish for crypto prices. It just shows there'll be more. It'll be more in your face, let's say, if it's not already, but the amount of users that are on Twitter, it'll just be more accessible for people, and therefore maybe it'll be used more widely, let's say, and available to more people. So let's see how that continues through. What else can I bring your way? I don't think there's too much, to be honest. Let me see here. Crypto account associated with the FTX exploiter moved a total of 180 Ethereum worth roughly $200 million to 12 crypto wallets on Monday. So that was part of what we saw, the move down on Monday. As you can see, BTC and Ethereum both gapping down and moving down to retest them lows, but then technically found a nice bounce so far. Certainly not out of the woods yet though, and price action was looking pretty heavy when we got down here, so don't be surprised if we do see another retest of those lows. And finally, Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX and Algo, well, not any longer, but they're basically got $1.2 billion in cash, far below the $3.1 billion owed to top 50 creditors. Today or yesterday, perhaps, was the first scheduled FTX bankruptcy hearing. That's it from a news perspective. We'll just quickly cover Litecoin. Litecoin has also been seeing some pretty interesting moves higher. And I've been trying to get in front of the reasons why, but I was actually struggling on that particular point. What had caused the spike in LTC? As you can see here, we've moved it from 60 all the way up to 80, so it's a 33% move within a day or so. And we can see here it's been a pretty impressive move up until areas that we've not been trading in since way back in May of this year. So we've got to keep our eyes peeled about what happens next. When we've generally seen these spikes on Litecoin, they can get sold into quite quickly, and we can see here that the move there's not really any particular reason behind it that I've been able to find as of yet. But if there's anything, then I'll post it inside the crypto chat. And we can take it from there. But at that 75 handle is where we need to hold above to see a continued move up into 88. But of course, watch out for these moves being faded, because generally that's what we see when we see such large spikes, especially when it's not really correlated with the rest of cryptos either. Ripple has been consolidating, couldn't get through 0.3870 last week, and you can see it's just in between 0.3870 and 0.35 right now, so they're my two key levels really. You got the lid at 0.3870, breakthrough there, look into the 40 cents region and above.